Hi everyone, Dom here from Panasonic Kitchen, and in this video, this is actually the first of a series of 4 videos we're doing to showcase our new multi-cooker, the NF-GM600 or the NF-GM400. We're actually releasing 2 different models. There's just a couple of differences between the two, and we'll get to those a little bit later in the video. So as I said, this is the first of 4, and in this video, we're just going to unbox the product together, have a look what's inside, maybe talk through some of the accessories that come with it. So I've got my trusty knife here. I'm going to very carefully cut through the sellotape either side and then gently in the middle. A little bit careful to not damage the product inside, and then we're just going to open this together. There's a few documents to start with on top, just place those there, and then we'll open up. So the first thing you'll see is a protective cover, cardboard, around the main products. These are accessories for the multi-cooker, and then at the bottom here is the main body. So I'll just get this out and place that there. I don't need the cardboard box anymore. Right, so the first thing you'll notice is we've got our guarantee here. Do keep hold of that. That will be useful if you need any repairs for this product. We've also got a short quick guide. This really handily actually talks you through all the accessories that come with this particular model. We've got the deep pot, the steam plate, the grill plate, the pancake plate, and then 2 other accessories, the flat plate and the party snack plate. Now those accessories are actually unique to the GM600 model. If you've got the 400 model, you won't have those accessories, but fear not, you can purchase both of those accessories at our dedicated online accessory store, the link to which is in the description down below. So we know which accessories to expect. We've also got the operating instructions here. Again, very useful. Keep hold of both of those because they're going to help us when it comes to setting up for the first time. Right, let's have a look at some of these accessories. So you can see at the top here, we've got our steam plate. Really useful. Beneath that, we've got our party snack plate. Remember, this is one of the unique accessories for this model. Tidy as I go. Up next, we've got our flat plate. Again, that's only with the GM600 model. Next is the pancake dish. Beneath that, we've got the grill plate. And after that, we've actually got the lid. So this is the lid of the multi-cooker. Again, there's some more information on top of the lid there in terms of some of the accessories and what you can do with the product. You can see there actually mentions a brand new app that we've developed to go hand in hand with this product and our new cooking blender as well, and that's called the Panasonic Kitchen Plus app. It's a fantastic app. You can download it in the Apple App Store or the Android Store. It gives you access to a huge amount of recipes and information dedicated to help making cooking with your multi-cooker and blender that bit easier. So for now, I'll just pop that lid there, and we'll continue with what I think is the final accessory, and that is the deep dish. So there we have it. We've got the 6 accessories there. I'm just going to put them all on top of each other, which is one of the main benefits of these accessories. They all are designed to stack on top of each other for space saving purposes. I'm going to put these to one side for now while we get out the main body of the multi-cooker. Pop those there along with the lid, and then we can turn our attention to this. So you can see we've got the power cable there nicely wrapped up, and then the main body itself. Just going to gently slide this out. And there we have it. That's the main body of the multi-cooker, and all the accessories are designed to be able to stack nicely on top there, again for space saving purposes. So that's it. That's everything you can expect to find whilst unboxing your brand new multi-cooker. Simple as that. In the next video, we're going to take this and we're going to get it started for the very first time. We'll do a first time setup video. That'll be the second video in our 4 series videos all about this multi-cooker. If you're interested in purchasing this product, then please head to our online store. You can buy direct from Panasonic, and there's more information on our website. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in part 2.